Hi guys, how are you today? This is Risa, and I hope you're all having a fantastic, fabulous day. So guys, today I'm just here again with another quick video, and I am going to talk about Candice. It's really hard and distressing. I have a daughter. I have daughters. I have two daughters. And it's very distressing to hear news like this, that someone has confessed to her murder. And it's horrible. It's just getting from bad to worse. This young lady did not ask for this, no matter what. Doesn't matter what the circumstances, she did not ask for this. And yes, the person that confessed is actually a 50-year-old man. And more than likely, according to what's going on, he had some sort of relations with her. But it doesn't matter what. She did not deserve to die. She may not want to be in a relationship with you. She may have put you off. She may have said, this is not going to go anywhere. But does that give the person the right to take her life? She's a human being. You did not give her that life. And a lot of times, people get involved with other people, not knowing the kind of person they are. And that these people are animals, brutal animals. They're animals in human form. And these men that are out there, a lot of men, they see young girls, and I don't know what it is with them, but they go after these young little girls that could be their daughters and granddaughters, and they don't care. They just see young flesh, young meat, tender meat, and they decide that they're going after these young girls. And the thing is, they entice them with whatever it is that they have. And they lure them in. And sometimes these men don't have anything. They go out of their way to give these young girls whatever money, clothes, cars, rent apartments for them, while they are suffering, and they probably have a wife at home that money is being taken from. But they're luring these girls to get some cooch, some young cooch. And that is not right. Because when they lure these young ladies in, and they expect these young ladies to say, okay, I'm with you now. He's going to take care of me. And then once these girls are in, they see that that's not so. He can't take care of you. He cannot take care of you. That bragging that he did in the beginning was just to lure them in. A lot of times, that's what happened. And when these young girls find that out and they say, I don't want to be with you anymore, what happened? Men catch feelings and they go after them. They go after them. They kill them. They're like, yeah, you're not taking my money and then you're going to leave me? If I can't have you, no one can have you. And that's just where the ludicrousy and the madness comes in. That's what it is. These men cannot take rejection. And as soon as they get rejection, their first thought is to kill the woman. Destroy her. Nobody else can have her. She's not going to be able to get anybody else because they're taking her life. And this is and that's why, African culture, I like the African culture. Because if a man rapes a woman, actually, someone sent me a video this morning, and it was so bad. And I said, you know what? That's what they need to do, some of these rapists out there. They catch a rapist, they tie him, strip him naked, tie his hand behind his back, sit him down. They light a torch, and they burn his penis. Burn it, burn it, burn it. And I'm like, that's jungle justice. That is jungle justice. That's what needed to be done to these crazy rapists out there that's running around like human beings. They need to be tortured while they sit there looking at it, burning, burning, burning. Yeah, let them smell that flesh burning and feel what the person felt when they're raping them, beating them, strangling them. That's what they need to feel. And you know, my word of caution to these young girls out there, leave these older men alone. These grown-ass, gray-toned men, you need to leave their asses alone. Don't take their stuff. Don't take their money. Don't take the clothes. Don't go to restaurants with them and eat all these expensive food. Don't, if you're not going to give it up. If you plan to give it up, that's your problem. If you plan to be with him, then that's your problem. But do not take these men possession if you're not going to do what they want. Because listen, they want payback. They give you something, you got to pay them back. And you got to pay them back somehow. And what they want is you. You young girls. Yeah, they want you. Me, big ass woman like me, they gonna mess around with me a certain way. Because I ain't no fool. I'm not gullible. I'm not taking their stuff. Because I know they're gonna want something. I got my own. I work very hard for my own. And I got my own, so he can't come offer me nothing that I can't provide for myself. And that's why some of you young girls, y'all need to go back to school. Y'all need to get your education. And y'all need to be satisfied with what you have. Satisfied with what you have until you can get what you want. Don't go after these men thinking that you're going to suck them for dear life. Because you suck them for dear life for what they have. Trust me, they're coming back at you. And they're not coming back at you in soft ways. They're coming back at you full force. And full force means they're going to take your life. That's basically it. They are going to take your life. So leave them alone. You're not going to give up the cooch. You're not going to be with them. Leave these old men alone. Let them find women of their age group, in their age bracket. I know a lot of these older men, they cannot handle older women because they can't use them as they would use these younger girls. And a lot of these younger girls are freaky deakies. And that's what these old farts want. They want young girls that's going to turn it up on them in some weird, wacky ways. And this is it, young girls. You got to curb yourself. I've got 2 daughters, and I tell them all the time. Do not take things from men if you're not willing to pay back. It is simple as that. Don't take things from men if you're not willing to pay back. Not even younger men. Not even older men. Not even younger men. Men in general. Don't take things from them because they want payback. And some of these older men, they're just as brutal as the young ones that's doing the raping and the killing and the strangling out there. The older men, if they see you talking up to a younger man, they are jealous as hell. Jealous, they come at you. And the younger men, if they see you talking to a man just in general, they want to know what are you talking to him for? Who is he? Is he giving you something that I can't give you? And that's it. It's over. It's over. So I am pleading to you, ladies, please, leave these old farts alone. Let them find women in their caliber, in their age group, and deal with them. You young babies, sometimes y'all don't know how dangerous these men are. These men are cloaked in clothing that they are nice, respectable men, when they're animals, they're brutal. They do things to you sometimes you can't even talk about. All for money, all for material things, it's not worth your life. It really isn't. Think about you trying to go out there to get a car from a man. You want a man to buy you a car. But then he wants to do some things to you that, girl, you can't even tell your best friend because you are so ashamed. I know people, I hear people saying, men shit in their mouth, spit in their mouth. What the hell is there not a nastiness? There is no car on earth big enough, pretty enough, expensive enough for me to make someone shit in my mouth. Are you crazy? Not even a house as big as Buckingham Palace. You can shit in my mouth. You gotta be kidding. There's no amount of money. You gotta have self-respect. You gotta respect yourself enough to know there's certain things I'm not gonna degrade myself and do for nothing. I don't care what it is. Your self-respect and your character is more valuable. So ladies, value yourself and leave these old men alone, these older men alone, even these young boys. Know who you're getting in relations with, please, because there are some brutal, animalistic men walking around now, and they're brutalizing women. And it's not only in Jamaica. Trinidad is going crazy with the abduction and raping of women. And Guyana, it's everywhere. So ladies, I'm asking you, please be careful who you're getting into relationship with. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video, and my condolences to Kenny's family. My heartfelt condolence. So guys, thank you. Give this video a thumbs up. Listen, I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. Guess where I'm at? 95. So give this thumbs up. Give this a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, guys. And I'll see you all later. All right? Have yourself a fantastic day. Bye-bye now.